Hello! In this video we will explain the test-taking process in YouTestMe GetCertified, an online examination platform. In the panel with their assignments, the students can see all the tests, surveys, and training courses that they are scheduled to take or have previously attempted. A student needs to acknowledge these test instructions before starting the test. Once the exam starts, the student is presented with the introductory panel for the first test section. The test-taking screen contains several elements. Questions are presented in the main panel and can be displayed one by one or all on one page. You can time limit each question, test section, or the entire test, in which case the timer will be visible at the top right corner. The question summary box allows you to navigate between the questions and quickly identify the ones you haven't answered or have marked for the review. In case you try to submit the test without answering all questions, the system will also remind you there are unanswered questions. The notes allow students to write down any information that will help them answer the question or to explain their thought process, since this information will be visible to the instructors as well. A test can contain any number of questions, and the instructors have several question types to choose from. Single-choice questions allow students to select only one of the offered answers. Multiple-choice questions allow selecting more than one answer. True-false questions contain only two predefined options. Metric questions contain several items that need to be evaluated on the Likert scale. With matching questions, the student needs to connect the elements from the left side of the screen with the ones on the right side of the screen. Ordering questions require putting the elements in the correct order. With hotspot questions, students need to mark the correct areas in the displayed image. Fill in the blank type question contains several blanks that need to be filled in and can contain the offered answers in a drop-down menu. Open questions have a predefined correct phrase that the students need to enter. Essay questions allow elaborating the answer in detail and attaching a file that represents an answer, for example, a video of a student performing a specific task. This is the only question type that needs to be graded manually. By enabling the question branching option, the instructor can tailor the test-taking process based on students' responses, since the answers will open up hidden questions that need to be answered before students are navigated back to the main path. Question creators can translate the questions and allow students to choose the language their test will be presented in. Questions can contain images, video, or audio, and so can the answers. Instructors can include a question with 0 points if they want to create a demographic section intended for gathering data, or if they want to evaluate specific questions and decide whether they belong in the exam before officially including them. After the student submits the test, they are navigated to their personal report, where they can examine their results broken down by test sections and question pools. They can also download a fully customizable score report and a certificate if they pass the test. Instructors can also choose not to share this data with the students or to share it at a specific time. This was a brief overview of test-taking process in YouTestMe GetCertified.